how often do you go to a home, whether it's 2 years old or 22 years old, that the airflow is adequate, sufficient for the house,
That's 9 out
right?
of 10, if not 10 out of 10 that are
And
wrong.
that's what's artificially, killing the box,
Hmm.
right? The reason you needed a replacement is because the airflow screwed up in 70% of the instances. So if you're just going to replace the box and put it on crappy airflow, you're doing the wrong thing for the customer to begin with. But that's how the industry has been trained.